Didn't I tell y'all she was thick? She thick, thick. Welcome back, roses. This is Olena from OlenaRosanne. And you see these petals, these rose petals falling, and then you see a like, comment, share, and subscribe at the bottom of the screen. Make sure you do that for me, okay? So, we are going to go ahead and get right into this. Today, I'm going to be trying out a brand new product to me, and that is the Hibiscus and Fenugreek Leave-In Conditioner from product Junkie Naturals. So, first thing I notice about this, she thick. I mean, she thick. Look at this, y'all. I have never worked with a super thick leave-in conditioner like this before, so I didn't really know how this was going to work for me. Was I going to use it with another product afterwards or not? You'll have to stay tuned to see what I do. But as I'm rubbing this into my hair, I notice it does spread out nicely here. It does soften up my hair even more so I can run my fingers through it. And so, yeah, there goes one side twisted up. Didn't I tell y'all she was thick? She thick, like I said. So let me go ahead and run this through the other side. I love the smell. It's the standard smell of most product Junkie natural products here. And just let you know, this does have distilled water, hibiscus powder, fenugreek, marshmallow root, shea butter, avocado oil, agave nectar, palm oil, just to name a few of the ingredients. So all great ingredients. And after I put that in, I did go ahead and seal it up with some of my hair growth oil from Mimiscurlz. And look at my hair, y'all. My hair is moisturized. That's all I'm feeling. I almost thought maybe I put too much in my hair. But then after a while, I was like, no, I didn't. I mean, look at it. I can run my fingers through it. I can take my brush through it here. And clearly my curls are popping. It's coating my strands, which is super important because I'm really trying to soak in that moisture, y'all. This is, like I said, this is a thicker leave-in conditioner, and thicker products are great for the colder months. So this is the perfect product to get during these cold months, because I don't know where you are right now, but it's cold. So what I have decided, I'm just going to go ahead and put in some Bantu knots, and we're going to just do a Bantu knot out only with this one product. So that's about, what was that, 6 Bantu knots here. I ended up turning it into 7, and look at this. You can see the texture is there. You see that definition? You see how they pop back at me when I let them out? I did go ahead and let my hair air dry over 2 days. And I like to make bigger sections because I have thinner hair. So the bigger sections I have, the bigger my curls. And because of the length of my hair, I'm able to do this. So I can tell you right now, as with pretty much every product Junkie natural product I've tried, I love this. I cannot explain to you how much moisture is in my hair. This was perfect, you guys. Like I said, this is right now, it's at the time I filmed this, it was the beginning of November. Actually, it was election day, which is why I have the shirt on. The moisture's there. The shine is there. My hair is super soft. I was super worried at first while taking down these Bantu knots because I didn't know how much frizz I was going to create on day one. I do like my frizz now. I've said it before, I'm a fan of frizz. I need that frizz because, like I said, I have thinner strands. So that frizz gives me a fuller look. And I went ahead and started just, spread this out a little bit with just my fingers. I was going to use the pick at first, but normally it's just the fingers. See how much I can spread it out, get a little bit of shape going before I go in with any other tools. So let me tell you, Roses who have been following me for a while, do you notice anything different with my hair? If you follow me on Instagram and you've been checking out my stories, then you know there has been a change to my hair. So if you let me know what you think it is in the description box, we'll see who's right. Oh, my hair is so soft. I love this. I love this. Again, I'm so surprised. This is a thicker product. About the thickest leave-in conditioner I've ever used in my life. But let me tell you, it works. It works just like any cream-based styler. My hair is soft. There is no hold. It's soft and fluffy though. And clearly moisturized. It's conditioned as a leave-in conditioner must do. So, roses, let me know what you think. Let me know. Is this a Keep Bantu Knot out with only one product? Let me know. Are you going to try this product for yourself? Well, if you do, check out the description box. I got a little bit of something that may save you a few coins, okay? Yeah, this is cute. This is cute. Anyway, roses, let me know what you think. And I will talk to you roses later. Bye.